So good afternoon. You're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic of debate is reservation. So this team will speak in the favor of reservation, and this team will speak against reservation. And so now I would like to ask the captains that whom will this hand. So Fabia.
Start. Okay. A very good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon. I'm Fabia and thank you so much for having me here today. And I'm very excited to talk about the reservation, that it should abolished or not. Well, in my perception, so it should not be abolished, even it should be continued. So there are three types of reservation. First, caste-based reservation. Second, economic reservation. Third, women reservation. First of all, I would like to talk about the caste-based reservation. Means reservation for ST, SC, OBC people. Now I would like to talk about in 1975, what was the condition of India? Let me show you data. See, means these country used to face the discrimination. Yeah, of course I will show. Okay. So in 1975, these all country used to face the discrimination. Sorry, these all cities used to face the discrimination. And now, just because of the reservation, 60 to 75% discrimination has removed. So I don't think that it should be stopped, because by the grace of Allah, maybe it can removed. Because if this much has removed, so maybe in our future it will removed, means it will finish totally, it will be removed. So I don't think that it should be stopped. Now I would like to give chance to my opponent for speaking. Now I think
So, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Mantasha. I'm very delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on a topic that is caste-based reservation. Should it be continued further or not? Well, I personally believe that it should not be continued further, because I found in my country that in every caste there are two status. First one is rich, second one is poor. So please, I want to highlight this thing that in every caste there are two status. First one is rich, second one is poor. you know it's not all about the lower caste people, that they are lower caste, they are, they suppressed by they suppressed by the upper caste earlier, so only they are poor still. It's not like that. Now our country is India, has two status, as I told you. So according to me, reservation should be given on the merit base, not on the behalf of the caste base, that it is lower caste, it belongs to lower caste, so he should be given, he should get the reservation. It's not like that. No, I want to speak, I think also. As you have shown the data that this much reservation, sorry, discrimination used to happen, untouchability used to happen. So it's not like that. Think, as she has told us that 60% discrimination, untouchability has removed from the India. Why? Means I want to say that from the lower caste, it has removed. But what about the general people? They they are also poor. They also want reservation. They also want the facilities, the support of our government and all. But our government is not caring about the general caste. It's not like that. Suppose if the 40% people, 40% discrimination turns into the 60% just because of the that discrimination which is happening with the general people. So what will you do?
should I speak now?
This will be again shown by you.
Should I speak now?
Yeah.
So in Indian map, general people, lower people, richest people, all people comes. Do you agree? So in this map, all will be there.
Yes.
You agree? And as she is talking about again, that discrimination is there. So I would like to tell you that in education sector, 49.5% seats are reserved for the ST, SC, OBC people, and for general people, 50.5% seats are reserved for them also. So I don't think that they are facing discrimination. I don't think that it is happening as you have told me. And I hope you know about the economically weaker section people, means 10% reservation for general caste people, and it is enough for them, because in general people, approx just 10% people will be poor. Otherwise everyone have this much money that they can afford anything, means they can take admission in school, they can do job. But STC people don't have. means they did not have anything, but now because of the reservation they have. So I don't think that there is discrimination. Secondly, I would like to give answer to Sophia P, as she was mentioning about that in Germany, in France, there is no reservation. First, sister, correct your data. In Germany and France, there is reservation. That's why they developed. You didn't say that caste-based reservation. You said that there is no reservation. You didn't say that caste-based reservation.
Okay, I think like there is no caste based reservation. There is reservation on the basis of women. For women, there is reservation.
So there is. They are developing because of the reservation.
So we are fighting here. We are doing debate here that caste based reservation should be or not.
But I am talking about the reservation, and I have told you 3 reservation. Now I would like to talk about.
You are
third
distracting
reservation.
from the topic.
Let me
He's
speak.
beating about the bush.
Should I speak?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I would like to talk about third thing. Means women reservation. Reservation for women's. Means earlier women did not have right to stand in an election, to participate in any politician things, but because of the reservation now every woman can stand in any election, they can participate in any politician things. So because of the reservation women's are also developing. Now you speak.
As you have said, I really don't want to explain anything, any extra thing. I would like to say that as you have mentioned, I heard you very carefully. You said that just because of the reservation, they are, they are able to survive now. They are able to do everything. They are able to, work hard, work hard by their heart. They are able to do. So, what the need of reservation now?
You know, sister, why do we need reservation now? For developing the country. As I have shown you the data, that 60% as a discrimination has removed. If it would be continue in our India, so I think that totally it will remove. Then India will develop. India is developing nowadays. Then India will be known as the developed country.
Okay.
Okay.
As
That's why we need
as you are
reservation.
talking about the EWS, that 10% reservation has is giving, means our government is giving to the general people that take reservation and uplift, get lifted up and all. Our government is saying, okay, it's not like that. As you are talking about the lower caste people, that they used to get suppressed by the upper caste and all. So like this, they are also, their ratio is also less in our country.
Tell me the percentage.
uh,
Definitely, I will tell you.
okay, you tell. I don't know, please.
General people.
Tell me the ratio of the population of the lower
You
caste
should
and
tell you
upper
are
caste.
against. You should have knowledge about it. You should have data about it. If you are giving
I have,
an
I have.
answer
Please let me
by
tell.
wholeheartedly. 52%.
Lower caste people, no, it's more than. Yeah,
You
please.
speak. Continue.
She called me. Okay, I searched data. Just it, slipped my mind that I searched very clearly that in our country the population of the general people is more than the lower caste people. But nevertheless, our government is giving reservation, more reservation. I would say that 50% reservation our government is giving to the lower caste. So what kind of the equality it is? What kind of the justice is it?
Should I speak?
Yes, now.
It's not it doesn't matter that general people population is increasing is more than the lower caste people who actually need, they should get. If there is less population or more, it doesn't matter. Okay, suppose there are 100% means there are 100 people who belongs to general caste, and there is 50 people who belong to ST/SC OBC who need, who need reservation. Means people will donate money to whom? Who need. So it doesn't matter that population is more or less. It matters that who have money, who can do job, who can go to school, who don't have money for going. We will donate money to them. Okay, it doesn't matter that population is more or less. Okay, you should.
Okay. I would like to give answer to Afsha. So with the help of that answer, you will be able to understand what I actually want to say. As you were talking about the wheelchair, that means a person who is disabled, he wants reservation. So our government should provide wheelchair to him or to all the country, all the citizens of our country. It's not like that. Okay. Please listen to me carefully. Okay, a person is disabled. I'm agree with you wholeheartedly that our government should provide wheelchair to him, but only to him, not to his son, not to his grandson, not to his great son and all. It's not like that. It's not. Yeah, it's not like that. It's not. Please, it's not like that. It's not like that. That definitely his son will be disabled. His great son will be disabled. His grandson will be disabled. It's not like that.
So Mantasha, I have given you only example. It's not like this, like you're talking about the grandson and grandparents. It's not only about that. Why have I given you example about wheelchair? Because you will be able to more very betterly understand. You will be able to understand clearly because of wheelchair. And I would like to ask, so may I ask? Okay. And you were mentioning about that because means reservation should be given on the merit base. Okay.
On the behalf
When
of-
reservation should means when reservation was wait a while. When discrimination was happening on the basis of caste, so why reservation should be given on the basis of on the merit base?
On the behalf of merit. Okay. Firstly, as you are talking about your example that you have given the example of wheelchair just for making us understand that we will be able to understand better and better. So I'm also giving you answer on the behalf of your understanding that you will be able to understand by your answer, but you are not able to understand. So I would like to speak 2 lines more on that answer. That think, as you are talking about the wheelchair, a person is disabled, so he got, sir, please wait a while, don't laugh, don't. So gets wheelchair from government just for doing his work, just for run his home and all. Okay, like this it happened earlier that people were disabled on the behalf of caste. They were disabled, as I can say. So our government provided the reservation to them just for uplifting them, not for making them rich, just not for making them more capable than the general caste people. It's not like that. And if I give you example, another example of Bangladesh, as you know what is the scenario is happening in the Bangladesh, that their government, the fight is sorry, please, sorry, fight is taking place just because of the reservation there. There's a different kind of reservation, but reservation it is. The government of Bangladesh.
I will give answer.
Sir, but let me complete.
You speak first. I'm giving you chance.
Sir, she spoke very long. Okay. The government of Bangladesh takes too much time to take a decision for the citizens. So like this, our India government is also doing like this. If our government keeps doing like this, so the scenario which is taking place in the Bangladesh, that can take place in our country.
Okay, on the basis of Bangladesh, I would like to give an answer.
Yeah, please.
You know why in Bangladesh fight is taking place? Because the government of Bangladesh is providing them unlimited reservation. It should be in limit. When something is cross the limit, when something happen out of the limit, so obviously it is dangerous.
So
We should focus. And in India, in Delhi, in India, there is no out of reservation. Okay, out of limit.
thank you.